Guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do what to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on my video, and do not forget to share my video to your friends and to your families, okay? And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my video. Thank you for your support. So guys, today we'll be cooking Afang soup. This delicious, mouth-licking, watering Afang soup. I'm going to be preparing it today, and if you want to know how I made this soup, then keep on watching. Let me introduce all the ingredients I use in making this delicious soup to you guys, okay? Do not forget to subscribe and show your girl love. So guys, let's get started. So guys, these are the things you'll be needing for your afang soup. I have here my afang leaf. This one is the dried one. I didn't see the fresh one in the market. So what I will do is to soak it inside water, and then I'm going to use my mortar and pound. I have my tofu. In here I have my stockfish. I have my dried fish. I have my berry here. I'm supposed to use the one inside shell, but I don't like that one, so that one is very delicious. So, but if you want to use the one in shell, you can use the one. I have my yellow pepper here. By now you guys will know that I love this pepper. Yeah, I have my beef and my cow chicken. That's my pepper. I've not washed it. I'll wash it. So, and here I have here my water leaf. I don't know if you guys can see water leaf here. So guys, I'm going to have my seasoning cubes, my salt, and my red oil. I'll wash the meat now and then start with the process and then try to show yourself some love. So adding my stockfish. I'm going I'll go in my pepper now. I'll add in my pepper now. I'll add in water. Then I will cover this and let it white cooking. I will prepare my soup. Remember, you don't want to water to your afang. Cook that my meat, stockfish, and while the meat is cooking, I will go ahead and prepare the soup. So guys, let's check on the meat. I'll be adding one crunchy. I want it my sauce. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm going to some. I want it small one, just small. Going to turn this and I'll let it cook for some time before going in with the rest. Okay, if you have watched me at this point, it means you are enjoying my video. Please help me to click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, share my video to your friends. Subscribe to my channel, guys. If you watch my video and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, subscription is free. There is no hidden charges at all. Help me to subscribe, like my video. Alright, so I'll cover this now and I will let it cook. Okay, so guys, time to add in our water. I'll go in with my red oil first. Let me show you guys. You can see there's no water again. All the liquid has dried off. So I'll go in with my red oil. You need a lot of red oil in your Afang soup. Like, you need to be generous in your red oil. Okay? But, you know. I'll go in with my water leaf. Water leaf is small. This is 300 naira water leaf. Guys, let me know how the situation of things is in your end. Are you in Nigeria? How have you been finding this cashless economy that we are in now? Like, money is now gold in Nigeria. Now you use money to buy money now. Before you buy your commodity, you first of all buy money. Let me know how you guys have been finding it. Have you been finding it funny or crazy or mad or annoying? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, okay? Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. Alright? So guys, it's time for me to add in my candy leaf now. That's my Afang leaf. I've pounded it. This is what it's looking like now. I will go in with my Afang. Our soup is almost ready. I'll just have to stir. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay? So I'm going to turn this on. Guys, I'll just cover and let it cook for just a minute or two, okay? Our soup is ready. If at this point you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Don't forget to like my video, share your guests on love, okay? Subscribe to my channel, share my videos. So guys, our soup ready. That's so yummy. Guys, this is what our soup is looking like. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's ready and very good. I'm going to be eating this. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, like my video. Please, if you watch my video, help me to like the video. It helps you to push my videos, okay? Help me to like my video, and please share my video to your friends and family. Help me get to 600 subscribers this month, guys. We are almost there. We can do it, okay? Thank you for watching us, guys. Come here when it's time. Bye.